Hi, I'm Carla Gaeta, owner and lead designer of Gemini Design Group. We're here today at my latest renovation in Belmar, New Jersey. This late Victorian home has been completely transformed from individual cramped rooms to this large open kitchen. This late Victorian home was in desperate need of a major update. It's been in the family for 70 years. The owner wanted to bring the home to life so many future generations could enjoy it. The main problem was lack of space and light. I took out the wall between the kitchen and the butler's area and enlarged the opening between the kitchen and dining room. By also opening up the back staircase, the kitchen is now much more inviting. The key to this project was angling the wall of the walk-in pantry closet to allow for the island placement and seating. A built-in bench for storage really adds to the character of the room. Although new, the kitchen is styled to fit in with a period house. The white and blue color scheme is perfect with the house just blocks from the beach. Hardwood floors, an island with seating, stainless appliances, tile backsplash, pendant lighting, architectural details, and many storage accessories all create a space that will serve this family well for decades to come. Thank you for watching. We look forward to working with you, your family, and friends.